Hello everyone. Today we will start the last topic of chapter food and improvement in food resources. And the last topic is beekeeping. Here the bee means the honeybee. So in this topic, in this period, in this chapter, we will study how can we rear the bees, how can we cultivate the bees, and what are the varieties of the bees. So, firstly, this beekeeping is also called apiculture. Why this is called apiculture? Because apis, this word apis, it is for the bees, and this word culture means to cultivate. So, what is this apiculture? Apiculture means the rearing of the bees, rearing or cultivation of the bees in a scientific manner. It is called the apiculture. Now, from this apiculture, the main product is the honey. Now, what is this honey? Honey is a viscous, sweet, aromatic syrup. Aromatic means which is having some aroma. So, this word aroma means a sweet smell. Okay, aroma means a sweet smell. So, it is a sweet smelling syrup. It is formed by the nectars. The honeybees, they collect the nectars from the flowers and they form the honey. And the worker bees, later on we will study about the colony of the bees also. So the worker bees helps to help to form this honey. What is the composition? Composition of honey. Honey is made up of 20 to 40% water, 60 to 80% sugar, and these sugars can be glucose, fructose, sucrose and dextrose. These are the different types of sugars. So these sugars can be of these types in this honey. Secondly, 0.22 to 0.3% of minerals, 0.2 to 0.5% of vitamins, enzymes and pollen grains. So this is the composition of honey. Now what are the uses of honey? Honey कहाँ पर हमें use करते हैं? First one is the medicines. Honey is used to make the medicines. किस type की medicines? Just like the stomach diseases, for the liver diseases, for vomiting. तो इन सब की medicines बनाने के लिए honey को use करते हैं. Second is it helps in the growth of human beings or any of the living organism. It is used in the plants also. Plants में भी इसको यूज किया जाता है pollen grains के लिए और मेनली द क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन के लिए इसको स्प्रिंकल किया जाता है, इसका स्प्रे बनाया जाता है और स्प्रे को प्लांट के ऊपर स्प्रे कर दिया जाता है ताकि इंसेक्ट्स आए, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन हो. So it helps in growth as it contains iron and calcium also, and it is used as the sweetener in many bakery items. It is used as the sweetener. Now what are the other products? Honey is the main product of apiculture. And what are the main other products? The other products can be the bee wax, bee venom and jellies. Bee wax, ये wax है, this can be used in the cosmetics, creams and ointments. ऑइंटमेंट बनाने में, क्रीम बनाने में और कॉस्मेटिक्स में इसको यूज किया जाता है. बी वेनम क्या होता है? जहर एक तरह से. तो ये जो वेनम है, जैसे कोई भी बी काट लेती है तो उसी के वेनम से उसका ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है. सो ये बी वेनम वहाँ से कलेक्ट करते हैं और उस बी वेनम को डिफरेंट मेडिसिन में भी यूज़ किया जाता है. एंड द थर्ड वन इज़ टू मेक द जेली बनाने में भी इसको यूज़ करते हैं. एंड this apiculture is very much important for the farmers के लिए इसकी importance है as it is having the low investment. ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होती इसमें और लेस इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ साथ इसके साथ में एक्स्ट्रा इनकम होती है. सो इट इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ऑल्सो. दैट्स वाई it can be used by the farmers along with the एग्रीकल्चर in their farms में आप farmers इस एपिकल्चर के लिए बॉक्सेस आते हैं जो उनको रख के और एक तरह से हनी बीज को रियर कर सकते हैं. Now what are the common species of the bees? These are the main three common species of the bees: Apis indica, Apis dorsata, and Apis florea. Apis indica is also called the Indian bee. Apis dorsata is also called the rock bee, and Apis florea is also called the little bee. There is one more important exotic species of the honeybee, that is the Apis mellifera. And this Apis mellifera is from the Italy, and it is also called the European bee. इसको European bee भी बोलते हैं. It is from the Italy. Now what is the colony? Because the bees they live in the colony, and this colony contains three types of members. There are 200 to 300 drones, 40,000 to 1 lakh workers, and only one queen. Now what are the qualities of the queen? This queen is also called the mother of the colony, and its life is around 2 to 5 years. It lays 2,000 eggs per day. एक दिन में 2,000 से ज़्यादा 2,000 तक eggs lay करती है. And these eggs can be fertilized or unfertilized. From the fertilized eggs can produce queen as well as workers. जब egg fertilized है तो उसमें से जब hatching होगी तो उसके बाद जो नई bees produce होंगी, that can be the queen and that can be the workers. But from the unfertilized eggs, only the drones can be formed. So this is the first part, that is the queen. In the next video we will study about the drones, workers, and how can we rear the bees.